G'day guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Brad. If you've never seen my videos before, they're usually based around models and dioramas. So this one's a little bit different. This is a 1:1 scale diorama I'm going to be building with my wife, where we build a new home. So we recently last year purchased a 1.5 acre block, but it's on quite a big hill, so there's a lot of work we need to do on it. So I have purchased a little excavator, 1.7 tonner. We do have another machine on order as well, which hopefully should be here, they're saying, by March now. I did start this channel doing models and dioramas as a way of keeping myself busy. I have an autoimmune disease which has given me quite severely disabled on my hands, makes it a bit hard to do a lot of things. So I got into modelling and dioramas to keep me moving and try and live a normal life, and learning to film and edit and everything else. And yeah, we've decided that we'll try it on our own block and build our dream home on it. And so hopefully once our house is built, which they're saying hopefully by the end of the year, we can have our backyard pretty much established as well and enjoy some nice green grass, because it's quite dead out here at the moment, if you can see that. But yeah, it should keep us busy for the next year or so. So we're going to try and do everything ourselves, including fences and everything. So stay tuned and see how it goes. Thanks for watching. When we were looking for machinery, I was looking at second-hand excavators and posi tracks and things like that, but there's just not a lot on the market right now. And we got this machine quite cheap. It was $23,000, brand new. So the reason I went for this machine was they do have a Yanmar engine, which is quite reliable. The company I brought it off were really good to deal with, helped us out getting the machine here. We have had one problem with it, with bolts coming loose on the cab to the track gear, but the company sent out a mechanic and had it fixed for us, and it's ran perfect ever since. I'll definitely give a review on the machine once we've had a fair bit of use of it. Right now we're just getting whatever fill we can. So we're digging out where our driveway will be, so we can use that fill in the back. I've had 350 tonne of fill brought in, and we still need a lot more. So I don't know if this camera does it justice, but this is the backyard. So this hill here is quite steep and we'll be extending that out. So these dirt piles will get pushed out and there will be a retaining wall in the back here. Then, if we go down a bit, there is another drop off from here where it drops down and goes down fair bit there, which we'll be filling in. Want to lay new grass, so all this will be cut up. We'll cut the grass and rip it and push new fill in, bring this up a bit. Our property actually goes over to there, which cuts across our two neighbours beside us, so it cuts along their backyards, and down to, in the distance there, is a creek that runs through just pretty much where the valleys meet. It's not really a creek, they call it a creek. But yeah, so we want to fill into there. Behind the trees there, all the big gums and stuff, we're just going to leave so the kangaroos and wildlife can still come up. But we will fence off at the start of this tree line here just so we can have a dog, and hope that all made sense. But end of the day, my wife and I decided to do this. It's something we can both have a go at. Teach my wife to use the excavator and the machines, and hopefully we can knock it out by the same time the house is finished, so we can have a nice established backyard and usable backyard. It's hard to tell off the camera, but it is quite steep. That up where them dirt piles is about 10 metres below them. So there will be a big retaining wall here too, because we have a storm water pipe there that runs through, which we can't overfill. So we will have a retaining wall just here, which will make that top pad our backyard, and then we'll bring this down in lifts across the neighbours' backyards and zigzag right across so we can have a bit more usable space.